Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Guide YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add links on TikTok bio, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account in TikTok and already logged in, and now right after that you will be able to see the interface of TikTok apps on the screen, where you can see profile icon at bottom right corner. Just tap over there and you'll be redirected to your personal profile page, where you can see add bio option just down below the share profile option. Once you tap on it, you simply need to add your link over here. Let me paste it, and now simply click on save, which is at top right corner. Just tap on it and you will be able to add link on TikTok bio successfully. So basically this is how you can add a link on TikTok bio, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.